This is a room tour on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas cruise ship. This is room 4224. It's an ocean view room, so it has a window that you can see out into the ocean. This is a nice spacious room meant for 3 people. You can see there's a king-size bed. There's a nice couch. The couch does not pull out. The cushions will just pull off and someone will lay on it lengthwise. So this can only sleep 3 people in this room. It is nice with all of the charging. There's a lot of USB-A, USB-C charging. There's a regular plug outlet next to the bed on each side, so you've got a lot of great charging options. The closet has these interesting drawers underneath it. So there's these wire baskets that are kind of interesting. They are nice and handy. You can kind of see what's in the baskets when you're doing that, putting your stuff away. But you have hanging room there, and then next to it you have a long hanging room. You can, if you're hanging dresses up or longer items, those fit nicely in that part of the closet. Around the corner here where this mirror pulls away. It's kind of a hidden storage area. Has some nice shelves, good place to put some stuff here. You have your safe that you can put your valuables in, and you've got several shelves here inside of this, so this is a nice place. Makes for some nice usage of the space. Over here against the wall on the right, you can see there's these lighted shelves that kind of are tucked away. There is charging in that area. And over here by the bed, you can see there's the light switch, separate USB. You got a typical telephone. You can call room to room. You can also call the front desk, guest services, housekeeping, things like that. Nice TV right in front of the bed. This is a king-size bed. Looks like it's almost at least a 60-inch TV on the wall, so it's got a nice TV you can watch. It's got some sports channels. It was nice to be able to watch a little bit of TV while relaxing in the room. Here at the desk area, there is more charging here, USB-A's, USB-C, USB-A over here, regular outlets. There is switches there. The nice thing, a lot of the switches are master switches that turn all the lights off in the room. Here on the far left is the refrigerator. It comes empty. You can put beverages in there. So a few drawers for some more storage. You can see here's the window outside. I didn't get a good shot of that, but normally this was only the second sailing of this cruise ship, so the ship was brand new, but the window had a lot of salt spray, a lot of water spots. Couldn't see out of it that well. I was a little surprised that it wasn't cleaner, being how new the ship was. Here's the climate control pad. This is right next to the bathroom door. Nice adjustability, easy to use. The room stayed nice and cool. Typical cruise bathroom here. Nice compact bathroom, has everything you need. Nice glass shower enclosure. It does have the body wash, shampoo dispenser right there on the mounted on the wall. This door pulls out into the bathroom, but it's nice and compact, and there is a seat inside of the shower, which is unique as well. And then you have a few shelves here, a drawer, and you've got an outlet here at the top of these shelves next to the mirror. There is a drawer here. A blow dryer is included in that drawer, so those are included in all the rooms. Alright guys, well that's the room tour. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.